Hey loves, it's Brianna. Get ready to clean and decorate with me for fall 2018. I've gotten a ton of requests for this video, so click the thumbs up if you like cleaning and decorating videos on my channel. And today we're decorating my kitchen, my family room, and my bedroom for fall. So make sure you let me know in the comments when you're done watching if you like how they turned out. And if you're new here, click that red subscribe button and join our awesome community. And if you're a returning subscriber and like the videos that I make, do me a favor and share with your friends. I would love to have more fun, amazing people join the channel. And make sure you're also following me on my other socials because that's where I share a lot of our everyday life. And lately we've been doing some travel, so you can see a lot of the fun trips that we've been going on there first. But I'll always be doing travel vlogs for our upcoming trips on my channel. And I'll also continue making everyday vlogs of our family on here too. So make sure that you're following along on all channels and socials. But I wanted to share with you the amazing fall Mrs. Meyer's gift set from Grove Collaborative, who's sponsoring today's video. With any $20 order from Grove, you will get the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, which is my favorite countertop cleaning spray, Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and hand soap, and a Grove scrubber brush. But if you order $39 worth of cleaning supplies, you will also get the cleaning caddy for free with everything else. I love my cleaning caddy, and I'm sure if you've watched any past videos, you've seen that I use them on every floor of my home to tote around all of my cleaning supplies. And if you already order from Grove, don't forget to still use my link so that you can get the free walnut scrubber sponges with your next order. And you just sign up with your email for Grove and you will get the best scented natural cleaning products delivered right to your door. And I just want to say a huge thank you to those of you who've either used my links in the past to support my family and this channel, or if you do decide to use my link today, thank you so much. I really appreciate when you make an order using my link. And the fall scents out from Mrs. Meyer are amazing. There is a pumpkin that is very rich and hazelnutty pumpkin. There's an apple cider scent that is so crisp and fresh and clean smelling. I feel like that one is perfect for kitchen cleaning. And then the mum scent is the one I have to say is my favorite of the three. It's a very spicy floral scent, and the fragrance of it just makes me feel so clean and feminine for fall. So I actually love this one for all over my home, but in particular in my bedrooms and my bathrooms, I love using this scent for the fall. So you can choose any of the three that you would like if you decide to use one of my links. And just thanks again if you choose to make an order. in case you're new, I am on Like to Know It, so I will always share links to furniture, decor, or what I'm wearing, or any other items that I use in videos in my description box, as long as they're still available and not from a few years ago or something like that. So if there's ever something not linked that you're interested in though, feel free to ask me. I'll let you know where I got it. But again, when you use my links, I'm really appreciative because that's just another way to support me and this channel. And if it's something you're already planning on buying, that goes for any other YouTuber or bloggers as well. I know everyone appreciates if you use their links when you make a purchase. But let me know in the comments if you like the new bedding set I just got. I decided to go for something simple for now, but I know I'm kind of jumping ahead of myself here, but I kind of can't wait to get the red buffalo check bedding out I got last year for Christmas. If you remember that from last year, but I'll link that video down below too in case you want to see it. But all right, I hope you enjoyed this fall clean and decorate with me video. Again, click the thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you have any other fall video requests that you'd like to see in the comments. And don't forget, use that link in the description box so that you can get the amazing Mrs. Meyer's fall gift set from Grove Collaborative delivered right to your door. You guys are the best YouTube family I could ever ask for. If you want to check out any of my other videos, there are going to be links right here on your screen to a couple, including the fall decor house tour, so you can see all of my decorations in other rooms of my home too. Thank you for watching and for subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Bye, loves.